Hi, welcome to the channel. Today you're going to learn how to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Once I Caught a Fish Alive on the ukulele. In this video you're going to learn the chords C, F, A minor, and G7 to play the song. We'll learn to sing and play it with a fun strum. And so let's keep watching and subscribe to this channel for more fun ukulele lessons. Let's start with the C chord. And we're going to practice the easy strumming pattern. We're going to just be going down, down, up, down, down, up. And let's do that in 4 patterns. So down, down, up is one pattern. Let's play it 4 times. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down. And 2. Let's play the F chord. Same thing. Let's play it 4 times on the strumming pattern. 1, 2, here we go. 2, 3, 4. And let's go to the G7. And let's play that pattern 4 times. 1, 2, here we go. We're going to play the A minor 4 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Those are the chords, and that's a strumming pattern. Now, where it does get a little tricky is when we're switching chords. We're not going to be playing the complete pattern, but we will be playing the down, down, up, down, down, up for all of the chords. So sometimes it'll be half the pattern and sometimes it'll be the full pattern. The very first pattern that we'll play 2 times in a row for the song is going to be C and then F. So it's C, down, down, up, F, down, down, up, G7, down, down, up. And then we repeat that C, down, down, up, F, one of those, half a pattern, down, down, up, and then G7, down, down, up. Then we're going to play the A minor for 1 full pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up, switch to G7, half a pattern, down, down, up, and to the C, down, down, up. So we're going to play the C 4 beats on 1 full pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up. The G7 for just half of that, which is down, down, up. And then we'll finish with the C, down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's try it with the words. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, sing and play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Now the next verse is just the same chord pattern. Why did you let him go? Let's try and just sing and play that since we have the pattern down now. 1, 2, here we go. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? The little finger on the right. Great job. Let's do the whole song now together. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? The little finger on the right. I hope you like this tutorial and that it helped you play the ukulele and a fun nursery rhyme 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Hope you subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have fun singing and playing with the ukulele.